So now we're going to go ahead. Yes. I am doing it again. You can probably tell from the title, I am doing micro twist again. The first time I did it, you guys really loved it, and I just want something that can put my hair in a protective state for long, and that is why I am doing this again. And I am going to be using a different extension from the previous one that I did. I am also going to be using a different method of prepping my hair from the previous one I did. So you don't want to click out of this video. So we're going to unbox the extension I'll be using together. It's a human hair extension. So we're going to unbox that together, and we'll be back to prep my hair and how to actually use the extension. Okay. So for this particular minute twist, the extension I'll be using is the Afro Kinky Bulk Human Hair from Hotbraids, and they sent me 5 bundles of the hair, and it came with a tote bag, a set of comb. I really love this tote bag. It is going to be so functional for me. It's black and it has Hotbraids inscribed on it. So we're going to just get straight into the main business, which is the extension, guys. So the extension came in 5 bundles, like 5 pieces or 5 packs, as you may want to describe it. And this is what it looks like on camera. Yay. It is actually very soft. I like the texture of the hair. It is also in their color natural black, which is almost the same color as my hair, because I do not use, or I rarely use colored extension if you're not new on the channel. So this was really perfect for me to use, and I'm basically just showing you guys how to remove and prep the hair. Although as we keep going in the video, you would see like a more explanatory way of prepping the extension, if you guys get me. So this is basically what it looks like, and I'm just going to take a little bit to show you guys what it looks like up close. Can you guys see, like, it has the kinky feel, the kinky texture, very soft. So my hair is very different from what it was like a year ago when I did the micro twist. So my hair is washed now, and I'm going to go ahead to prep my hair into six sections. But before we do that, I'm going to take my OG Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner and just apply it sparingly on my hair. You also want to make sure that before you put your hair in a protective hairstyle, it is clean. Like, we don't do protective hairstyle on dirty hair. So I'm just applying my leave-in conditioner to just soften my hair and keep it moisturized. Okay. I am actually so, I don't even know if I'm nervous or I am anxious, but the last time I did this, it took me 4 days. So I don't know how long it's going to take me this time around, but we're going to do it. We're going to do it. I'll carry you guys along. So that is out of the way. And I also want to apply just a little bit of coconut oil. This is plain coconut oil, like natural coconut oil. So just spraying it on my palm. Oops, that was a lot. So and my hair has grown so much from the last time I did a micro twist. It has grown so much. So I have 5 bundles of the Afro Kinky Bulk Human Hair, and this is what one bundle looks like. So we're going to open this up, right? Open this up. You want to be gentle, okay? So this is what the extension looks like, and this is how I will be prepping the extension. So I would just go like fluff it out, 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 fluff it out more, fluff it out, fluff it out, fluff it out, and now I'll take a tiny bit. Okay, I'll take this much, put the rest away. Now this much, fluff it out. So now we're going to go ahead to prep my hair before we section this into smaller bits because we are doing micro twist. So for my hair, you guys just saw me moisturize it. I have a big mirror in front of me. That is what I'm actually like. I have a mirror just behind my filming setup. So one of my least favorite thing about making my hair myself is actually parting it. So go ahead to part it into two different parts. Now I will now go ahead to part each part into 3 or 4. Let's see. I also don't use braiding gels when I'm making my hair, except when necessary, which is not necessary in this case. So I'm just using my intuition, okay? So the first part. The first part. So I'm going to take this now and braid it. So if you're not new on my channel, you know how much I love to prepare to my hair. It just makes the entire process of making your hair very, very easy. Very easy. I can't wait to get these 360 mirrors that makes you see the back of your hair. I honestly can't wait to get it. Makes pre-parting so easy, and pre-parting makes it easier for you to braid your hair or to twist it or to just put it in any style of your choice. So I realized that that middle part was a bit too big for me to braid, so I decided to part it into two, so which will now leave me to having 4 pre-parts on each side if you guys are following. Okay, so I had 4 pre-parts on each side, and I did exactly what I did on this side to the other side of my head. And also this will help prevent shrinkage in my hair because my hair shrinks so fast. Okay, so now, so to the actual micro twist, you want to make sure that you know you're doing micro twist. So your hair is going to be in small, like very small section, and your extension is going to also be in small section. But if you want the volume of your hair to be like very full, you would do your hair in small section and the extension in like a bigger section. You guys would see as we proceed what I am trying to say. So to grip the roots, you want to braid from the bottom of the roots, not twist from the bottom. So this helps you have like a better grip. And once you've braided about 3-4 times, you can now start twisting. I did more than one tutorial on how to grip this, so you just want to make sure that you keep watching so that you can understand what I am trying to show you guys. Okay, and if you have any questions at all, make sure to leave it in the comment section. I will reply to everything. So this was the next day. Honestly, I actually just realized that I enjoy making my hair myself. So I am just showing you guys again how to grip from the roots, how to part it, and so that you'll be able to do it yourself. Okay, yes. So basically, you want to grip it that way. Place your extension over it. Braid one, two, three, four, and five, and then you can start twisting. So what I noticed is that if I wanted my hair to, if I want my micro twist to have volume, I needed to like increase the size of the extension that I was using, even though my hair pattern was still small. I don't know if you guys get it. So I kind of increased the extension a little bit, if you guys can see, and you would see what I'm trying to explain to you at the end of the video if you keep watching. I also didn't I also didn't twist till the end. You actually have to keep watching up until the end to understand everything I am trying to say. So let's just keep watching together, okay? So finally we are done, and this is how it looks. And I'm basically just like, this is how to care for the hair now. So I'm basically spraying water all over it generously. But before I tell you, can you guess how many strands this is, and can you guess how many days I spent making this? Just before I tell you, let me know in the comment section, how many days do you think and how many strands do you think this is? So after spraying water generously, I went in with my Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner. You guys already know how much I love Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner, and this hair feels so soft after spraying water on it. Like, it feels very soft after spraying water on it and using the leave-in conditioner. You guys can see the bounce. You can see how the hair came alive. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. I love it so much. And you can tell from the way I am smiling that I love it. So I just went in with my oil sheen and just spray it over. Just a little bit is okay. And that is just to give it like more shine. If you're going out, it feels so soft and so full. So full. So yes, we have 300 strands, and I spent 3 days to make this, unlike the last one I did. I am so happy and I am so proud that I was able to make this. I love the extension so much. If you want any more details, you can check the description box where I leave all the details you need to know. And I'm just tying it down before I go out and be shaking my head on the street. So that is it, guys, for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And yes, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please click subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next one. Final look, and I honestly cannot get my hands off this hair. I like the volume, I like the length, and I just like everything about it. And yes, I'll be styling this in several ways. So you want to make sure to stick to the channel and also check my description box for any other details you would want to know about this Afro Kinky bulk hair. And that is it for this video. I'll see you in my next one.